Today we have with us Senior Professor Rupam Kapoor ma'am, and she is a Dean of Student Registry and she is also Chairperson of Garden Committee. तो मैम से जानेंगे क्योंकि मैम ने ये जो फर्स्ट दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का जो लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल है उसकी सारी डेकोरेशन को मैनेज किया है। तो मैम अगर उस पर आप हमें बताएं कि इस डेकोरेशन को करने में कितना टाइम लगा, क्या क्या चीज़ें, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल हुए थे और किस तरीके से चीज़ें पूरी सेटल डाउन हुई।
Uh, Delhi University Literature Fest is first of its kind, and the theme that was chosen for it was Nation First, Unity in Diversity. An event of such mega scale has not been organized. I have been organizing all the decoration of all the events that occurred during the centenary time celebration of University of Delhi. That used to be localized to one venue. The biggest challenge was that this event was spread across 3 or 4 venues, and theme was to be kept in mind considering that people who have accomplished in various walks of life would come here. At the same time, the challenge was to attract students. So the first thing was to consider the theme unity in diversity. So whenever we think of unity, first thing that comes to our mind is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the Statue of Unity. So we built around that. We started with the Statue of Unity. Moment you enter from gate 2, it houses Statue of Unity just at the entrance with the flags of nation, tricolor and university flag flanking on both the sides of the statue, setting the theme or the tone of the conference. Next was, this aspect, the multi-purpose hall, was essentially to have the talks with the accomplished and also book releases on its first floor. So we thought that it would be nice if we keep book theme here, and rugby ground was for the cultural events. So if you have been there, you see that on the either sides of the stage we have all the cutouts of various dance forms of India representing 18 different dance forms of say about 15 states. And on the backdrop of the stage, it has the various art forms like Madhubani and Burli. So those art forms are hung at the background. Since India is culturally very rich, so it is just a flash in the pan that could be shown here. If you enter through to the multi-purpose hall, the gate again has that cultural theme, an amalgamation of the gate which represents the cultural theme. The cultural motives of India have been used. No other country's motive have been used here if you see clearly. And then the gate just at the multi-purpose hall is that of books of the contemporary issues of the nation, like Sindoor, Viksit Bharat, Shaurya Gatha, all those relative contemporary themes of the nation. Those books have been selected to show what essentially this literature festival is all about. The facade of the stage is a floral representation of its theme, telling largely through flowers what this literature festival is all about. In University of Delhi, we are committed to sustainability. Honorable Vice Chancellor of University has always emphasized that there should be less usage of money, where one-time usage should be prevented. So if you walk around and see, it is only the stage that has been used to decorate using cut flower. Otherwise, this huge venue. It houses about more than 1500 ornamental herbage plants and flowering plants through which this whole venue has been decorated. Yeah, I am primarily a professor of botany, not a professional decorator. So, coming up to the challenge where literature festival is being compared to the festival where professionals are roped in to decorate the theme like Jaipur Literature Festival or Kerala Literature Festival, I think we have done a commendable job. Everybody has appreciated how the whole theme has been bound together. Where we have used cultural motives, you see, we have books hanging showing that this literature fest is not only about celebrating culture but also celebrating our nation and also diversity in the nation. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.